Otto from the technology firm. Here's I'm going to say an updated tip and trick I did a long time ago. I think it was 13 years ago. So it's time for a refresh with using Windows 11. It's how to create a shortcut on your desktop so when you click on it, it starts capturing automatically without having to hit start capture. So the first thing we do is go to our file manager, Windows Explorer, and you navigate to your program files Wireshark folder. And from here, we're going to go to the address bar and type CMD. Okay, you're going to get a black screen. And from here, we're going to type tshark -uppercase D, and that's going to list all your adapters. Now, this is the tricky part. If you don't know which adapter you're going to have or use, you have to test them. The other way to do it is just start Wireshark and find out which one is active. So let's do that. Let's assume, we know very little about what's going on this machine. And as soon as you start Wireshark, you'll see that there'll be a line moving for traffic. And it's Wi-Fi number 2. There you go, done. So now we need to note Wi-Fi number 2 goes to this interface number 5. That's the number we need, 5. All right, we're going to test it out. tshark -I for interface, 5, enter. If this works, you'll see a bunch of stuff fly up on your screen. Done. Control C, and that's all good to go. So now is the hard part. We're going to move some stuff around, move this guy around, and you'll see why in a moment why I'm positioning things in a certain way. So there you go. I want to locate that wireshark.exe file, and here's the hard part. You're going to right click, hold the right click button on your mouse down, drag and drop, and it's going to ask you what you want to do, and you're going to create a shortcut. Done. So the first thing we're going to do is rename this, and we're going to call it Wireshark, I don't know, Auto Wi-Fi Capture. You can call it anything you like. Right click, you're going to go to your properties, and here's the trick. You're going to go to the target. We're going to do a -I space 5 and a -K. So now, if let me just minimize this thing, and we don't need this anymore. If I double click on this, Wireshark will launch and it will automatically start capturing from my Wi-Fi adapter in this example. You can also string a capture filter into that property as well, but there you go. So if you're doing a lot of work and you just want to start captures relatively quick and easy, that's how you do it. There you go, folks. Have a good day. Bye for now.